So we're here today at Avet Pharmaceuticals on Cotters Lane in East Brunswick to celebrate their expansion of their facility right here in town. As many people know, if they didn't already, New Jersey is the hotbed for life science companies, and East Brunswick certainly has its share of many of them, and we're certainly proud to have you here and talk about your expansion and be here to celebrate that with you. So I know we have Vic and Marvin here. I'm going to ask each of you to speak a little bit about what your products are, what the expansion is about, and maybe a little bit about the life sciences and the reason that we are so happy to have you here in East Brunswick and Central Jersey as on that topic.
Great. Thank you, Mayor, and a very warm welcome to you, Rob, Crystal, and the team. We are very delighted to have this opportunity where Avet has been here in the town of East Brunswick doing manufacturing for more than 2 decades now. But this is the most exciting new expansion of our high-potent suite, where we will be making immunosuppressants and a number of anti or oncolytic life-saving products. And so this roughly 2,000 square foot area is going to be generating additional jobs and creating some of these life-saving medicines, which we feel very proud of and are important to obviously the American patients. With that, I'm going to pass it on to Marvin to expand further.
Thank you very much, Vic. And thank you, Mayor, and thanks the Chamber for being here today. As Vic said, we have been here for many years. This facility manufactures a broad range of tablets, capsules, soft gelatin capsules, and this new addition puts us into a new therapeutic area. New Jersey has been a great place for us to build a business. We've had great cooperation from this township, from the state, and it's just been a real success story being here in New Jersey. So thank you for being here today.
Absolutely. I think that it underscores the fact that New Jersey's been doing this now for decades and attracting people into industries, mostly because of the talent pool that lives right here. We spoke about that. Our location uniquely placed between 2 large metropolitan centers, airport, university, all of that's really right at your fingertips. And I think that's part of what the reason is for the success and the traction for all of these industries into this area. And it also brings downstream jobs to the industries that are dependent upon, whether providing the base products that you need for your industry or the jobs and logistics in terms of getting it distributed outside of the area. It's a job creator and a reason why folks in the industry have come to New Jersey for decades, and so we're real proud to have you here in East Brunswick. I'd like to also give the opportunity to have some welcomes from our Economic Development Officer here in Township, Rob Zuckerman. His job is to try to help continue to find companies to bring here, and of course our Chamber of Commerce, which enjoys a rich relationship with all of our businesses, because besides just the residents that live here, the business community is an eco community in and of itself, and it's an integral part of the township. So on both of their behalf, we'd like to welcome you. So we'll start with Rob.
Thank you. So first, congratulations. It is really exciting seeing this expansion of the laboratory. I was talking to Mr. Patel earlier, and he really said all the things you said without even being prompted. He said, we have great schools, we're in the center of the state, and also we're in the center of all of the medical and pharmaceutical industry right here in New Jersey, as Marvin said, the medical chest, right, and the Rhinestone Alley. And it really is something that we're proud of here in East Brunswick, and we continue to foster. This isn't the first expansion or new biopharma business that opened up in just the last few months. So we really wish you guys continued success. We know you've been here for almost 20 years already, and you'll be here for at least another 20 years and more. So we welcome your continued expansion in town, and we do appreciate how generous you have been to so many community organizations as well. So congratulations, and we look forward to more to come.
And on behalf of our Chamber of Commerce, that's President Crystal Pleasant.
Thank you, Mayor. It's so exciting to be here with you and celebrate this awesome occasion. You've been here so long, and I understand that you've been participating already in various events throughout our town. And so I'm here to just extend a hand to make your entry into our chamber official. I've heard that you've been, at the gala and the Mayor's Charity Fund and so many things like that. But we have a network of business leaders and owners who are waiting to meet you, and it will only provide greater exposure and a connection to the others in our community. As a resident here for this year, 27 years, I ditto what you've said about our town. We love East Brunswick, and so congratulations and welcome again.
There's a lot going on in East Brunswick.